Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn step-by-step how to enable mentions notifications on Snapchat. This quick update will make sure you never miss when someone tags or mentions you in their stories, snaps, or chats. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. If you haven't updated Snapchat in a while, it's always a good idea to check for the latest version so the settings look the same as in this guide. Once the app is open, head to the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can see your Snap score, Bitmoji, and other details. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the gear icon. That's your settings menu. Here's where you'll find all the privacy, account, and notification options. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled My Account. Under that section, you'll see something called Notifications. Tap it to open all your notification preferences. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see a list of different options to manage what alerts you receive, like story notifications, friend suggestions, or message alerts. To turn on Mentions notifications, look for the option labeled Mentions. Simply mark the checkbox or toggle the switch next to it so it's turned on. That's it. Once the Mentions option is enabled, Snapchat will let you know whenever someone tags you in their snaps or stories. It's a great way to stay connected and never miss out on shoutouts from your friends. Before you finish, take a moment to review your other notification settings too. Customizing them can help reduce unnecessary alerts while keeping the important ones active. After all, no one likes being overwhelmed with constant pings. And you're done. You've just learned how to enable Mentions notifications on Snapchat quickly and easily. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with your friends who might want to stay on top of their mentions too. Thanks for watching.